So Survey Junkie is one of the largest paid survey platforms out there. In fact, it has over 20 million members and has paid out over $76 million in rewards to date. Now, Survey Junkie is also a platform I've been using for years. I've cashed out with it and I've reviewed it on this channel before. But Survey Junkie has also undergone some pretty cool changes, so I figured it was time for me to put it to the test once again. And that's why this Survey Junkie review is going to share exactly what these changes are and how you can decide if Survey Junkie is right for you. And stick around because at the end of the video, I'll be sharing some crucial Survey Junkie tips and tricks you definitely want to use if you want to maximize your rewards with this survey platform. You definitely don't want to miss this one. Let's get to it. So guys, in case you're new here, what exactly is Survey Junkie all about? Well, Survey Junkie is a popular paid survey website that's available in the United States, Canada, and Australia. It's also free to sign up for, and you just need to be 18 or older, and then you create an account with your email. Now, once you sign up, you just complete a brief profile questionnaire, and this basically helps Survey Junkie match you to relevant surveys that are a good fit for you. From there, you just start answering available surveys to begin earning. Now, I'll hop into my account and show you here because surveys basically appear on your main dashboard. And in my experience, surveys typically pay anywhere from about 15 cents all the way up to $4 or so. But really, survey amounts vary, but you'll see exactly how much a survey pays before you actually complete it. Again, this is basically your standard paid survey experience. You sign up, you get matched with surveys, you complete them, and you get paid. Overall, I think Survey Junkie has always done a very good job at this. I think the survey rates themselves are also pretty competitive, and it's a pretty decent user experience. I also like that you only need $5 to cash out, and there's also tons of great rewards. I mean, there's prepaid Visa cards, PayPal, and even bank transfers available. But like I mentioned in the intro, Survey Junkie has undergone some pretty nice changes over the last couple of years, so let me highlight them right now. And really the first change I wanted to mention is just Survey Junkie's revamped UI. As someone who's used Survey Junkie since about 2018, honestly, the new UI is way better. There's a way cleaner survey experience, and the main dashboard now shows you all of the available surveys at any given time. Surveys also show you the total points they pay, a time estimate, and even a very nifty point per minute calculation. And I like the point per minute calculation they've added because now it's kind of easy to cherry pick surveys that you think are worth your time. The survey experience itself is pretty good. Like, I don't find the disqualification rate is very high. I don't find many bugs or like surveys just crash and don't credit. And Survey Junkie also works really well on desktop, but also Android and iOS. Overall, this revamp is definitely nice, and it's a nice facelift because Survey Junkie has been around for years, so it's nice that they've changed up the UI and made some improvements. Alright guys, and the second change with Survey Junkie, it's actually an opportunity to earn way more points, and it's to download the Survey Junkie extension and desktop app. And so Survey Junkie has basically reworked the old Surf to Earn feature, and you can now earn more points by downloading both the browser extension and desktop app. With the new Surf to Earn feature, you basically share more data with Survey Junkie about the ads you see online, the different websites you visit, and the products you shop for. This data then turns into rewards like 50% more high-paying surveys becoming available, up to 50 points per month in bonuses, and 100 points for installing the desktop app, and 100 points for installing the browser extension. But yeah, in a nutshell, you're basically unlocking higher paying survey opportunities by giving Survey Junkie more data, which I definitely recommend doing if you're grinding out surveys on this platform. Alright guys, and the third change to Survey Junkie is the ability to earn profile bonuses. Now, I just mentioned bonuses, but again, I'll recap them really quickly because these are some really effective ways for new members to earn bonus points really quickly and reach their first cash out. With Survey Junkie, you can now get 100 points for installing the desktop app, 100 points for installing the extension, 25 points for confirming your email address, 50 points for completing your profile, and 25 points just for signing up. This is an easy 300 points or $3 worth of points just for signing up, downloading the extensions, opting in for higher paying surveys, and getting your profile set up. Considering the cash out requirement is only $5, I love this change for new members because you can basically sign up and reach your first cash out super quickly. But speaking of cashing out, Survey Junkie also has some changes for rewards that I want to cover really quickly. So just like in the past, you need 500 points to redeem a $5 reward with Survey Junkie. But Survey Junkie now has a simpler list of rewards, but some very good ones, including prepaid Visa cards, PayPal, bank transfers, and gift cards to companies like Amazon, Walmart, Starbucks, Sephora, Groupon, and Target. But one thing that's nice and something I haven't really seen before is that the Visa gift card reward actually processes instantly. Again, I haven't really seen this on a paid survey site before, so it's nice. You can sign up, you can start answering surveys, and you can cash out super quickly. But anyways, guys, I put Survey Junkie to the test again, and I earned $5 pretty quickly on a fresh account, again, just by downloading the extension, the desktop app, completing my profile, and completing a couple of surveys. I cashed out via PayPal, and sure enough, I got paid the same day right to my account without any issues. I'll put some payment proof up on screen for you guys to see. Overall, this was super easy to do, and again, I love the new Survey Junkie UI. I think the survey rates are very competitive, so overall, this side hustle test was a success, and I can confirm Survey Junkie is legit and working based on my own personal testing and experiences. But anyways, guys, like I said in the intro, I want to cover a couple of tips and tricks you should be using if you're going to use Survey Junkie to help you maximize your rewards. And the first tip is definitely to use the Surf to Earn program. I really suggest people opt into this and maximize rewards by unlocking higher paying surveys. And again, you can get those bonuses for downloading the extension and desktop app. Now, my second tip, and one that not a lot of people realize or think about when it comes to paid surveys, is that you should be checking your Survey Junkie account at different times throughout the week. This is especially true on Monday because this is when a lot of new surveys get added, which again, not a lot of people realize. So if you're having difficulties finding available surveys on Survey Junkie, try checking your account at different days and different times throughout the week. And finally, the third tip is just to make sure you are never using a VPN when you're on Survey Junkie. It might be tempting to use a VPN if you live outside of an eligible country, but again, this is against Survey Junkie's rules and you will get banned, so just don't do it. But anyways, guys, what are the pros and cons and why might you use Survey Junkie and why might you potentially skip this paid survey website? Well, really the first pro, like I've already mentioned, is that the new revamped UI is much better than the past UI, so if you like a smooth survey experience, I think you'll like Survey Junkie. Now, the second pro is that the survey rates are competitive. You don't always find surveys paying $2, $3, $4, but they do pop up occasionally, and the average rate is pretty standard for the paid survey space. The third pro is that you can now get instant rewards via the Visa gift card option, which again, I haven't really seen and I am a fan of. And finally, the fourth pro is that Survey Junkie has new opportunities now for you to unlock higher paying surveys and some new bonuses as a new member, which I always love to see. Now, as for the cons, the first one is just that Survey Junkie unfortunately isn't globally available. Like I mentioned, it's available in the United States, Canada, and Australia right now. And the second con is that overall Survey Junkie won't replace your day job, but really this is the case with any paid survey site, so it's really important to have realistic expectations. I've been testing out paid survey sites for years, and honestly, I think they're a very easy, flexible side hustle. You can do them when you're watching TV, when you're chilling on the couch, on your lunch break, that kind of thing. And if you answer a couple of surveys per day, it can turn into a decent side hustle that helps you cover some groceries or some of your bills. But again, have realistic expectations because this is not a job, it's not a full-time opportunity, and it's important to keep this in mind. But anyways, guys, that kind of brings me to my final question and how I want to wrap up this video. Is Survey Junkie worth using? Well, honestly, I will say it's worth using if you enjoy answering surveys for money, you want an easy online side hustle, and you're just looking for something kind of low-key and chill you can do to make money on the side. Survey Junkie is reliable, it's been in business for years, there's tons of payment proof online, and like I put in this video, and I can confirm it's working well, at least for me, right now, so I think you guys will like using it. Again, it won't make anyone a millionaire, but it is pretty reliable, so I'll be linking Survey Junkie down below, and I'll put it in the pinned comment as well, if you guys want to sign up and help support the channel. I hope the Survey Junkie review has been helpful, and you can let me know your thoughts as well. Are you using Survey Junkie right now? Are you going to try it out again? Let me know down below. That really does it for this one, guys. I hope you have a fantastic day and week, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.